Hi, this is Emily at the Kingsport Public Library. Today I'm going to walk you through how to scan a document using your iPhone. One of the services we provide at the library is helping people scan and send documents. But if you have an iPhone, you can actually do this from home, and I'm going to show you how. Here's what you'll need: your iPhone, paper copy of the document, and a Wi-Fi or data connection. Go ahead and fill out and sign the paper document if needed. Then, unlock your iPhone and open the Notes app. Select the new note icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It looks like a blank piece of paper and a pencil. Select the camera icon, then select Scan Documents. Place your paper document on a flat surface, such as a desk, table, or the floor. Move your phone around until you have the entire document on the screen. Once your phone camera senses all four corners of the document, you will see a yellow rectangle appear over the document on the screen. It will then automatically scan the document. You will see a preview of the scan on the bottom left of your screen. If you have another page to scan, repeat the process until the camera scans every page. So place the page down, hover over until you see it scan, then do the same thing again. Once it has scanned all of the pages, select Save. Select the Share icon at the top right of the screen. It's a little square with an up arrow coming out of it. Your iPhone will auto-name the PDF based on text within the document. If you have an Apple computer nearby, you can AirDrop the document to that device. You can send the document through text message using Messages. If you need to upload the document to a website, you can scroll down and select Save to Files. This will save the PDF to your phone. Then when you go to the website, you'll browse your phone for the file. Most likely, you will need to email the document. Select the email app that you use when sending emails. For this example, I'm using Mail. Type in the email address of the person you are sending the document to. Change the subject to reflect what it is you are sending. Type a message to the person letting them know that the document is attached. Then select the Send icon. If you get stuck or need help scanning a document with your iPhone, feel free to call the library at 423-224-2539 for assistance.